Hey there, let's talk about GIFs. We see them in our text messages, we see them all over social media, and they even pop up in our training courses or e-learning courses. We've all probably spent too much time searching for the perfect GIF to put into our content. So, here at Teapotter Instructional Design, we have created a step-by-step guide to creating your own GIFs in Canva. So let's start by going to Canva and opening up a video. And I'm going to select some different graphics to put into my slides. I think I'm going to do, 3 or 4 of these. And I'm going to just pick some that are the same style, center them on my page, and keep in mind you can do this with text, images. It doesn't just have to be graphics. You can always add some final design touches, borders, backgrounds, even transitions. I think I'm just going to change the background for this. So let's do that. And then I'm going to change my slide timing from 5 seconds, which is the default. I'm going to do it 1 second across all pages, and that way each image will show up for 1 second. Now I'm going to download my file as a GIF. Hit download again. And once we open this up, we will have a GIF that will automatically loop, no play button, just like this. So keep in mind, like I said, you can do this for images, videos, text. Just go to share, choose GIF as your file type, and it's that simple. I hope that you found this helpful, whether you're making e-learning courses, training content, or would just like to learn how to make your own GIFs. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button and visit us at teapotterdesign.com for more.